Starting an online store can feel overwhelming, but Shopify has become one of the most beginner-friendly platforms for launching an e-commerce business without needing technical expertise. Whether you want to sell physical products, digital downloads, services, or print-on-demand items, Shopify provides the structure and tools needed to get up and running quickly. In this crash course tutorial, we will walk through the entire process from signing up to running your store. By the end, you will understand the essential steps and the logic behind them so that you can confidently build, customize, launch, and manage your Shopify store. The first step to using Shopify is creating your account. Visit Shopify's website and click the option to start a free trial. Shopify typically offers a low-cost introductory trial period so you can test the platform without committing financially. You will be prompted to enter your email, create a password, and choose a store name. This store name will determine your temporary Shopify subdomain, though you can always connect a custom domain later. After creating your account, Shopify will ask a series of questions about what you plan to sell and where you are in your business journey. These questions simply help tailor your dashboard and do not lock you into any limitations. Once answered, you will enter the Shopify admin panel, which is the central hub where you will manage all aspects of your store. When you first arrive in the Shopify dashboard, take a moment to explore the layout. On the left sidebar, you will find sections for orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, settings, and apps. The right side of the screen usually displays a checklist showing the initial steps required to launch your store. Understanding this dashboard is important because you will return to it every time you add products, adjust settings, or monitor store activity. Shopify organizes everything clearly, and as you become familiar with the interface, you will find that each section directly affects your store's functionality. With your account set up, the next major task is adding your products. This is the heart of your business. Click on the Products section and then choose Add Product. You will be taken to a product creation page where you can enter the title, description, images, videos, and pricing. Strong product descriptions should be informative, persuasive, and keyword-rich for search engine optimization. Clear, high-quality photos are essential because customers rely on visuals to make buying decisions. Shopify also allows adding product variants, such as size or color options, along with separate pricing and inventory management for each variant. For physical products, you will enter shipping weight and inventory details so Shopify can track stock levels and notify you when inventory runs low. You can organize products using categories called collections, which help customers navigate your store. For example, a clothing store might create collections for shirts, pants, accessories, or seasonal items. Once your products are in place, it is time to customize your online storefront. Shopify uses themes to control the appearance of your website. Go to the Online Store section to view available themes. Shopify provides both free and paid themes, and the free ones are surprisingly high quality for beginners. Select a theme, preview it, and then click Customize to edit its layout and content. This opens the visual editor, where you can add and rearrange sections such as image banners, product galleries, text boxes, featured collections, and customer testimonials. Each theme has its own set of customization options, so take the time to experiment and learn how the sections work. It is important to maintain consistency with colors, fonts, and tone so that everything aligns with your brand identity. You can also upload your logo, set a favicon, and adjust typography to match your branding vision. After designing your homepage, move on to creating core pages such as About, Contact, FAQ, and policy pages. These pages build trust with customers and provide essential information. Inside the Online Store section, click Pages and create each one with clear, helpful content. Your About page should explain your brand's mission, values, or story. The Contact page should include a form and any communication methods your business uses. For policy pages, privacy policy, refund policy, and shipping policy, Shopify offers automatically generated templates you can edit. Having these policies in place is not only professional, but legally important for operating an online store. Next, Configure your navigation menus so visitors can easily move around your site. Under Navigation, edit the main menu and footer menu. Add links to your collections, product categories, essential pages, and any other sections you want customers to find quickly. Good navigation improves user experience and increases conversion rates because shoppers can easily locate what they need without frustration. With your design in place, you must set up the functional aspects of your store, starting with payments. Inside the Settings area, open Payments. Shopify offers its own payment processor called Shopify Payments, which integrates seamlessly and allows you to accept credit cards and other payment methods without setting up a third-party provider. Activating Shopify Payments is straightforward. You just enter your business details and banking information. You can also enable PayPal, ShopPay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other gateways to give customers multiple checkout options. The more payment choices you offer, the easier it is for shoppers to complete their purchases comfortably. Shipping settings also need to be configured before launching. Go to Shipping and Delivery in your settings. Here you will define shipping zones, rates, methods, and packaging. Shopify allows you to set flat rates, weight-based rates, or carrier-calculated rates. Beginners often start with simple flat rate shipping or free shipping to keep things straightforward. You can also specify which countries or regions you ship to. If you plan on selling internationally, take time to understand customs fees and transit times. Additionally, decide whether you will handle fulfillment yourself or use a fulfillment partner. For self-shipping, you will manage packing, labeling, and postage. Shopify provides discounted shipping labels depending on your region. Taxes are another essential configuration. Shopify can automatically calculate sales tax based on your business location and your customers' locations. In the Taxes section, enter your tax registration details if applicable. Shopify simplifies this process by providing default tax settings for many regions, but it is wise to familiarize yourself with the tax rules in your area so you remain compliant. At this stage, your store is nearly ready for launch, but you must prepare your domain. A domain is your website's address, such as yourstore.com. Shopify lets you purchase a domain directly through the platform, or you can connect a domain purchased elsewhere. Owning a custom domain instantly makes your store appear more professional. Under the Domains section, choose whether to buy or connect a domain. If connecting an external domain, Shopify will walk you through adding the correct DNS records. Once connected, set the custom domain as your primary address. Before going live, preview your store and thoroughly test everything. Visit your storefront like a customer, browse pages, add items to the cart, test the checkout process, and confirm that payment and shipping settings are working correctly. Check for spelling errors, broken links, inconsistent design elements, or missing information. If possible, ask a friend or colleague to test your store from their perspective. A clean, functional shopping experience increases the likelihood of sales. Once you are satisfied, remove your store's password protection. By default, Shopify keeps your store locked while you build it. In the Preferences section under Online Store, disable the password. At this point, your store is officially live and accessible to the public. After launching, your focus shifts to marketing and ongoing management. Shopify includes built-in marketing tools such as email campaigns, discount codes, abandoned cart recovery, and integrations with social media advertising. You can create promotional codes to encourage new customers or reward returning ones. The abandoned cart tool automatically sends reminder emails to customers who added items to their cart but did not complete checkout. This tool alone can significantly increase sales for beginners. You can also connect your store to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to enable social commerce, allowing customers to shop directly from your social profiles. Apps extend your store's capabilities beyond the default features. Shopify's App Store offers thousands of apps for tasks like email automation, SEO optimization, product reviews, dropshipping, print-on-demand services, upselling, and analytics. While apps are powerful, beginners should add them gradually to avoid overwhelming themselves or slowing down their site. Start with only essential apps, such as a review tool, a marketing integration, or a print-on-demand partner if applicable. In summary, using Shopify as a beginner involves creating your account, adding products, customizing your storefront, setting up payments and shipping, configuring taxes, connecting a domain, testing thoroughly, launching confidently, and learning to market and manage your store. Although it may seem like many steps, Shopify's intuitive interface, extensive documentation, and supportive ecosystem make the process manageable. Once you understand the flow from product creation to checkout, you gain the foundation needed to operate a successful online business. With continued practice, experimentation, and refinement, Shopify becomes not just a tool but the backbone of your e-commerce operation.